Hey YouTube, welcome back, and here we are with another unboxing. So how about we get to it and see what's inside the box today. So once we open up the box, we will find that it's actually a star projector or galaxy projector. This one is made by a brand named Fiseki. That's Vaiseke. It does come well packaged. Inside we'll find that it includes the actual projector itself, a USB-C type cable for the power to the actual projector, and then a remote. Now, one thing I do have to keep in mind and bring up to your attention is that the remote did not come with batteries, so I did have to provide my own. Now, this device is powered by a standard USB-C cable. The power brick was not provided, but you can use any one that you may have laying around in the house. Now, the main functions on this device can be controlled via remote control or the actual Wi-Fi app. Now, you can't use both of them at the same time, which means that if you want to use the remote control, it's purely going to be the remote control, or if you want to use the Wi-Fi app, it's strictly through the Wi-Fi app. So let's take a look at the setup to play music through the Bluetooth app. The first thing you're going to want to do is slide the device switch to the on mode. Once you do that and you power up the device, you can go onto your phone or tablet and start looking for new Bluetooth devices. Usually this device will be marked something along the lines of BTK10 or something to that effect. Once you connect, you'll hear a verbal confirmation that it is connected, and the lights will blink and then actually turn off. Once you start playing music, the music will then match up to whatever song you're playing. Now we'll do a couple sample clips so you guys can see the effects. Now while these are playing, you can actually use the remote to change the colors as well as the speed and some of the other elements that are playing with the music. Now you can also control the music directly from the remote as well as from the device by using the volume button up and down, as well as the skip and previous track buttons. You do have additional options, not just for the lights, but the laser. The laser would be the small green dots that appear. That is a separate element from the rest of the colors. They're actually blanketing what would be the ceiling right now that you're viewing. Now there's two suggested Wi-Fi apps that you can install to control the device. Both apps have similar setups, but the one that I went with and that you'll be seeing here is called the Tuya Smart. Whichever app you choose to use will pretty much have a similar setup, so I'll walk you briefly through this one. You'll start by getting the device into pairing mode. Once you get it into pairing mode on your actual smartphone, you will then go to add a new device. Once you press add a device, it'll find the actual device itself, which is labeled under Music Starlight or a similar name. Ask you to add your Wi-Fi name and password so it can connect the device to that. Once it does that, it will start to program the actual device. It'll go through a couple steps, and then once it gets done, you'll be able to actually choose the device from the main screen. It will automatically show up anytime that you enter the app and that the device is on. Now, as soon as you enter the app through this method, you'll automatically be able to start controlling all the lights. As you can see here, even just switching from color to white automatically makes anything I do start showing up live on the actual device itself. While under the white tab, you can choose how bright or how dim the white is on the actual light. When you go into color, you can choose the obvious color, and you can also choose the brightness and tint of the different colors. Here we'll cycle through a couple different choices so you guys can see that it actually updates in real time. Now you do have an option for scenes. Scenes are just predetermined settings for different lighting effects. They do have night mode, read, working, leisure, soft, colorful, dazzling, and gorgeous. Now within each one of these scenes you have additional settings that you can change to customize them further. Now, if you're going to leave this device on, you can actually set schedules. This will allow you to set the on and off times that this device will come on. It will also notify you if the device is on or off, counting on which settings you set. Now that we've gone through the settings, how about a little bit of slow motion fun?